Today we're going to talk a little bit about why we are able to live on Earth and why we are not able to live on the other planets. First of all, we are able to live on Earth because of Earth's magnetic field. It also has to do with the position of the Earth as far as its distance away from the sun. Earth's magnetic field helps to protect us from solar winds that come off of the sun. It also helps to protect us from things such as meteors from reaching the Earth, and if we didn't have our magnetic field, we would not be able to live here. Earth is also far enough away from the sun that we are able to have liquid water, but not too far away that our water freezes. We obviously know that water is very important to life on Earth, and so if we were any further, it would be frozen, but if we were any closer, we would burn up because of the heat of the sun. Next, Earth is habitable because it has soil. This may seem like a very obvious one, but without soil, we wouldn't be able to grow food. And soil also allows the rock cycle. It's part of the rock cycle. So kind of along with that, all of the cycles on Earth are important, like the rock cycle, the water cycle, which we kind of mentioned just a minute ago. Also, Earth has prime position from the sun. If you look at this chart, you see the other terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are the inner planets closer to the sun. Mercury and Venus are not habitable because they are too close to the sun. We would burn up if we were on those planets. Earth is habitable, and it is unlikely that we would find any life on Mars because it does not have the magnetic field that Earth does. So, all in all, Earth has a magnetic field that protects us from solar rays. The position from the sun is just perfect so that we are able to live here without freezing or overheating. Earth's mass and its plate tectonics allow us to be able to live here on Earth.